I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You're starting in Settings, open Display and Brightness and Act Now. Tap the Brightness slider and set a baseline that's comfortable indoors and outdoors. Turn on Auto Brightness so the phone adapts to ambient light. Enable True Tone if you prefer natural color shifts. If you work at night, schedule Night Shift or manually enable it to reduce blue light. Once done, make sure the screen isn't at max for battery life and comfort. This initial setup prevents eye strain and saves power. Now tweak how content appears. Go to Display and Text Size. Increase text size or enable bold text so reading is easier. Adjust contrast options if needed. Return to Display and Brightness to choose Display Zoom, Standard for more content, Zoomed for larger controls. Then visit Accessibility to reduce motion if animations make you dizzy and set Auto Lock to a shorter timeout to save battery. These middle steps refine readability and interaction. Once applied, review several apps to finish by testing. Lock and unlock the phone, open Mail, Messages, and Safari to ensure text and zoom behave consistently. Back up to iCloud so your display and accessibility configurations persist if you restore or replace the device. If something looks wrong, restart the iPhone first. Many display oddities clear with a reboot. If issues persist, reset all settings to restore display defaults without erasing data. This resolves persistent glitches while keeping your content intact. Don't forget to reapply any personalized accessibility toggles afterwards.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.